is Miles Morales. And even I'm bored already.
Hey, Miles, you busy? I need...
Whatever it is, I'm down.
Need some help with a babysitting mission at the raft.
Sounds fun. Fill me in on the way. Don't give me that look, Pops. I'm only taking a break.
Hola, mijo. How's the essay going?
It's going. I'm gonna head out, though. Pete called for some backup. We're just...
It's better if I don't know the details.
I'll be fine, Ma.
Espera un momento. You know how there have been a few nights recently where you've been working late, and so I also worked late? Well, I wasn't working. Don't give me that look. I'm not in any trouble. It's just, I've been going on some dates. Dating, actually.
Oh, right.
And there's this one guy. I've seen him a few times, and it's going well.
Ma, what are you asking me?
I'd like to have him over. For Bartelone.
I'm sure there's some spider stuff I can be doing. I can give you some privacy.
No, I'd like him to meet you. And I'd like you to meet him. But if you're not comfortable, I totally understand.
Ma, look, you had me at Patelón. I'll see you.
Okay, ve pues.
Better head to the raft. Maybe these wind tunnels can give me a boost. There's another one! I should catch that updraft! Whoa! I'm getting the hang of this! Another updraft! I should check the view. Love a windy day.
Hey, Miles, just getting to the raft. You on your way?
Wouldn't miss it. Who are babysitting?
MJ got a tip yesterday that Scorpion's being moved to Ravencroft. Not enough resources for him since Sandman became his roommate.
Scorpion can definitely throw a tantrum. I'll be there. That car's swerving all over the place.
Wait a minute! Drive! Drive!
Is there a street race I don't know about?
Wait a minute! Where's Slayer? No! You ain't taking us!
Score one for the good guys.
You are listening to the Danicast, get this, now the fastest growing podcast in New York. Hold on to your knickers, Jonah. I'm coming. For you new listeners, welcome. The Danicast is your spot for real takes on real news about real people. Did y'all...
Hey, man. Glad you could make it.
Looks like I'm just in time.
Keep it moving, Gargan.
Ready for the next one.
Next one.
Thought we were just babysitting Scorpion today. Martin Lee. Miles. Miles.
It's fine. I'll be okay.
A little early for fireworks. We gotta go. Red, yellow. If these are...
Make sure the prisoners are secure! I'll take left. Protect the ship! Form up on me!
I really should have stretched.
Your head will make a fine trophy.
Whoa! Those blades are sharp! You must be new in town! Hi, I'm Spider-Man! In case you didn't know, these guys are bad news! Definitely want to keep them in prison!
Get out of our way! This does not concern you!
Alright, guess we can skip the welcome wagon! Spider-Man! Who the hell are these guys? I was hoping you knew! We'll cover you! Keep them out of the ship! On it! Take out the defenses!
Overwhelm the guards and break down the doors!
They're trying to get inside the ship!
They want Scorpion and Lee. We gotta stop them.
What do you even want with these guys? Seems like your club has plenty of members!
You will see, and it will be glorious!
Not liking the sound of that! What are you, Vultures, kid?
Don't get distracted by the spiders.
Our quarry lies within!
They're definitely going after Scorpion. Can't let them get inside this ship.
Where are you going? Pushing another!
You seeing these guys? A lot of money and tech here.
Yeah, they're not messing around. They're desperate to get their hands on Scorpion, Lee, and Hulk. If those guys get free again.
Stay focused, Spider-Man!
Their presence is unexpected, but insignificant.
Oh, man! Who are you people? And where'd you even come from?
I'll give them one thing. They know what they want!
We are many, but we fight as one!
Spider-Man, how you doing?
You know that thing with the Hydra? And more heads pop up? That!
We've got him on the ropes!
What now?
We gotta get the ship free.
People inside are gonna drown!
I'll keep trying to get these things out! King Arthur makes this look so easy!
I got this!
There's more people inside!
Let me worry about them!
Spider-Man, you gotta get topside!
As soon as I get everyone clear!
You okay in there?
Trying to get out. Looking for civilians on the way. It's bad, man. What happened out there? Did those guards get to safety? Hello? No signal. Better hurry up. Whoa! It's getting worse out there.
Someone out here! Scorpion, he got out and he threw me in here!
I'll get you out! Stay calm! I'll find another way! Electrical access. Sounds promising. I hope Pete's got eyes on Scorpion. These guys have no idea who they're letting out. Still here! Promise! Come on, backup power. Be here. Sweet! Water's rising. I can't get back the way I came in. The electrical current is powerful in here. Even I can feel it. I can't let it get to that guard. This amount of electricity will fry him alive. I need you to stay away from the water, okay?
Thanks a million, kid! But I saved you. Really?
can't be. No! Dad? This isn't real.
We have eyes on Scorpion.
Superhero. Maybe I'm just a guy who doesn't give up. Give up. Give up. Give up.
Miles.
Huh? Anything? Wait. It's not safe. Miles.
It's so peaceful without Miles. Time running out, people.
Huh? I have to get out of here. I have to find them.
Get me out of here! Coward! Spider-Man.
Lee.
What are you waiting
I'm not like this. What the?
Clear!
We got him.
No, Lee! Lee! You cannot escape!
What is this? Venom power. I can barely control it. Spider-Man! They got Lee!
Scorpion 2! I'm after them now! Miles, do you think you can handle Lee? I can turn around right now!
No! I got this! Go on!
Are you sure?
I can't let him near my family again! Not after what he did to my dad! I have to protect them! They need me, man!
Nothing will happen to your family! Nothing! You got this! I'll be back soon!
Got this! Get back here! He's staying right here.
Subdue the spiders, and their team lead.
You're not taking him!
You are nice. They are out.
Let's see you try! I don't know who you are, but you messed with the wrong city!
You cannot escape!
And you think I'm naive? That's all of them. Spider-Man! Things just went from bad to East River on fire bad.
That's... well, okay. I'm on my way. We'll deal with Scorpion later. Come on! Come on!
It won't start!
I got you! Hang on to something!
We're not gonna make it!
No, you don't! He's not going anywhere!
That propeller!
Run! I'll stop it! I'm here, guys! I got you! Lay off me so I can stop that propeller! I can't whip that propeller with these guys beating on me!
We've got it!
How many times I gotta tell you people? Lee stays with me! You don't know what you took from me.
Spider-Man, let him go! First responders are on site now, at least. Police are still fishing, but there's no sign of them. Any luck upriver?
Nothing but debris. Who were those guys?
Whoever they are, they're packing some serious tech.
And now they got all that, plus Scorpion and Lee.
Hey, Whatever they're planning, we'll find them. We'll stop them.
Yeah. Pete. When I saw Lee inside that ship, my powers, they...
You think his energy got entangled with yours?
I don't know, man. But it feels... volatile.
Well, wherever Electric Blue came from, it saved the day back there. Hey. We'll put Lee back where he belongs. Promise. Don't leave me hanging.
Trying to soak over here.
Not on my watch. Come on.
You're too much, man.
Hang in there, Miles.
Used to hearing that voicemail of yours. Dropped you a pin. Wanna come through?
Yeah, go, Aaron.
What? He does you.
Hold on. Deal's off.
Your limbs off, spider! Better hope I don't get out of this! Spider-Man! You don't want more!
Done deal. Hey, sorry, kinda busy.
What? Too busy to visit your fam?
Nah, I was just giving you space after you got out.
Don't need it. Besides, we gotta settle some things.
We do?
See you soon, kid.
Just go see him and get it over with, Miles. Then we focus on whoever took Lee and Scorpion. Something tells me they're planning something big. Who's trying to burn down a building?
The longer you stay in there, the...
What are you doing there, Spider-Man? Your face is fire!
Oh, it's fire!
There's no stopping the prophecy!
What was the deal with those guys? I felt like they came out of a cult. Better tell Pete about them.
Another day, another disaster befalls our beautiful city. And guess who's to blame? In what should have been a routine prison transfer, the Spider-Men felt the need to inject themselves into a situation that was already being handled by the proper authorities, and completely botched it. A new group of mercenaries made their presence known in the hijacking of the supervillain Scorpion and Mr.
I see you, Spider-Man! Suffer for your actions! Blow them out!
Sorry, nobody's getting branded today.
Take your place, the unworthy! I'm not impressed, fool's beacon!
I can swing you over to an ambulance. They'll fix you right up.
Oh my God! Thank you!
We're nearly there. There you go. Everything's going to be all right.
Bless you, Spider-Man!
Yeah, that'll definitely work.
Reminds me of the people who write into the Bugle, and a few who work there. Freedom of speech is a beautiful thing, but saying a thing over and over again doesn't make it true.
Somebody. There he is! Okay, y'all are done.
The flame. Everything burns!
Molotov incoming!
We're not stopping now, Ember!
Probably shouldn't tell Ma about how close I got to an almost exploding gas truck.